All right, we're here at a Wimberley Belt. We're finished up in our cabana. We're getting there almost. I say we have about 2 more weeks or 3 more weeks at the most. This cabana is starting to come together. We have a real nice entrance for the pool so you don't get dirty. The pool equipment's protected from hailstorms. The level keeps it nice and protected. This cabana is air conditioned, so we have AC. We match the house. There's the existing house. We match the windows. We did westerns on the sliders. Finishing up a couple of details like rock underneath the slider. We have Wi-Fi. We have a radio, all the amenities we need. AC, so it's gonna be nice. We're getting there.